Ito, try na lang natin yung isa pang ano, yung Unchained Melody. Parang mas madali pang kantahin to, yung kanta ng Unchained Melody ng Righteous Brother. Pearl, shout out. Try nga natin. Try lang. May part na mataas ang song na yan. Alin yung Unchained Melody? Oh, my Lord, my darling, I hungered for your touch alone, lonely time. Time goes by so slowly, and time can do so much. Are you still mine? I need your love, and I need your love. God speed your love to me. Oh, lonely rivers flow to the sea, to the sea, to the open arms of the sea. Yeah, yeah. Lonely riverside, wait for me, and I'll be coming home. Wait for me. Time goes by so slowly, and time can do so much. Are you still I need your love. God speed your love to me. Gaya nga nasabi ni Christian, that song is dun sa Ghost, 'di ba? Yung movie na Ghost ni Patrick Swayze and Demi Moore. Ayan, 'di ba? Dito nung pilabas yan nung bata pa ako, talagang ang haba. 2 buwan ata nasa cinema yung ano na yan, yung Ghost na yan. Ganong katagal nila play sa mga movie theaters yung Ghost na yan. Ganong kasikat yang, ganong ka-iconic yung movie ng Ghost ni Patrick Swayze at Demi Moore. Alam mo Christian, alam mo ba Christian kung ano yung katapat ng movie ng Ghost? Oh, sige nga, tinang ko kung alam mo. Oh, may katapat na movie yan. Alam niyo yung katapat ng movie ng Ghost? Parang the same yung hindi actually the same pero parang ganun din yung pangyayari. Namatay yung lalaki. Oo, yung Always. Alam mo yung movie na Always? Oo, hindi sikat yung mga ano doon yung mga characters, yung hindi pala sikat yung mga actors. Oo. Hindi po Always. I-check mo yung Always.